All right, here we are. We're still in Santa Ana. It's been about 3 hours since Brian did a video earlier. Let's take a look at our progress so far. It's gonna be loud so you can hear the sanders going and everything. But this is what you're looking at right now. So the floor's been sanded for the most part in here. The living room is sanded down to the natural thing. We got our guy over here putting putty, filling up all the holes anywhere where there's termite damage or anything like that. Right here, almost basically done. So they haven't even started this room yet, but everything's looking really, really good. They're doing really good time. It's only been 3 hours that we've been here. So again, more putty right there in the place. So give us another couple hours. It should look a lot different. All right. Everybody have a great day.